Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of nail design we're going to be working on this week, and I decided to do something really quick and simple this week, something that wouldn't take a lot of time. So the first thing I did was I painted my nails with a orange nail polish. The one I use is by Clean Colors, is number 251, and it's called Tangerine Burst. And for all of my fingers, I just painted it all over with this color, except for my middle finger and my pointer finger. I just painted on the tip. Next, I'm going to be using this silver nail polish that you see on the side here that I use. And it's by, I believe it's by Clean Colors as well. And it's just, no, it's by Broadway Nails. And it's just a silver glitter nail polish. And this is one of the polishes that has the extremely fine brush on it for nail art paint. So I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see how thin the brush is. So that's the silver nail polish that I use. I also use some acrylic white paint to do the dots with that you see on the side, the white dots on my nails. And I'm also going to be applying some clear crystals on my nails. They're different sizes. I believe this one is size 12 SS. I'm pretty sure the larger ones are size 12 SS. The medium size ones that I use is size 6 SS, and the two tiny ones that you see here are size 3 SS. So I'm going to apply those on my nail as well. And I'm going to be using Kiss Nail Art Glue to apply those with. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.